The plane touches down with a gentle thud, and before I know it, I'm whisked away in a yellow taxi, weaving through the glowing streets of Manhattan. The city's energy is immediate, palpable even from the back seat. As we cross into Chelsea, the city lights seem to multiply, each one promising a new adventure. New York City at night is electric. The buildings glow, the streets pulse with life. There's a sense that anything can happen here and probably will. The air is thick with possibility, and every corner feels like the start of a story. It's June 2025 and the city's energy is contagious. The summer air is warm, carrying laughter and music from open windows and bustling patios. Chelsea feels alive in a way that's hard to describe, like the neighborhood itself is celebrating. I'm wide-eyed, ready for adventure as the city lights take over from the fading sun. Every step I take feels like I'm walking into a movie scene, with the golden hour giving way to neon and excitement. Chelsea's streets are a blend of old brick and modern glass, packed with stylish locals and curious visitors. The architecture tells stories of the past and the present side by side, and the sidewalks are a runway of creativity and self-expression. There's a hum, a beat, this place is alive. Street musicians fill the air with jazz and pop, while friends gather outside cozy cafes, their laughter echoing down the block. It's impossible not to feel swept up in the rhythm. Why Chelsea? It's vibrant, creative, and famously welcoming, especially for LGBTQ+ folks. Rainbow flags wave proudly, and there's a sense of acceptance and celebration that's woven into the fabric of the neighborhood. This is the creative heart of Manhattan, where you can truly be yourself. Art spills out of galleries and onto the streets, and every block feels like an invitation to explore something new and unexpected. I'm here for the art, the food, and the spirit of the neighborhood. From bold murals to candlelit dinners under the stars, Chelsea offers a feast for the senses, and a warm welcome to anyone who arrives with an open mind. Summer travel is booming, so the crowds just add to the excitement. The sidewalks are alive with a mix of languages, styles, and stories, each person adding to the city's vibrant tapestry. New York is back, pulsing with its unmistakable rhythm. The city feels unstoppable, and Chelsea is right at the heart of it all, buzzing with anticipation for what the night will bring. I'm ready to dive into Chelsea's evening scene. The night is young and the possibilities are endless. Let the adventure begin. Tonight, I'm searching for the real New York. I want to find those hidden gems, the places only locals know, and experience the city's true heartbeat. Chelsea, show me what you've got. I'm here, I'm ready, and I can't wait to see where this night takes me. First stop, the High Line. There's no better way to begin a night in Chelsea than by stepping onto this iconic stretch above the city streets. Once an old elevated railway, the High Line has been transformed into a lush, linear park that floats above Manhattan's west side. It's a place where history and modern city life blend seamlessly. As I climb the stairs, the noise and rush of the city fade away. Suddenly, I'm surrounded by greenery, art, and a sense of calm that's rare in New York. The sunset here is unreal, sky painted in oranges and pinks, the Hudson River glimmering in the distance. It's a view that makes you pause and just take it all in. On one side, the river stretches out, reflecting the last light of day. On the other, the city's bold architecture rises up, each building telling its own story. Up here, the city feels both vast and intimate. You're above it all, yet right in the heart of the action. The High Line buzzes with life. Friends meeting up after work, couples strolling hand in hand, and art installations that surprise you around every corner. There's always something new to discover. Food carts tempt with quick bites, from gourmet ice cream to savory snacks. And the best part? It's all free to enter, making it accessible for everyone. The gentle breeze rustles through lush plants and wildflowers, creating a peaceful escape from the city's intensity. People lounge on benches, chat quietly, or simply soak in the atmosphere. It's the perfect way to start my Chelsea night, relaxed, inspired, and ready for whatever comes next. Standing here, I feel recharged, inspired, and connected to New York in a way that's hard to describe. The city feels alive, and so do I. The city sparkles below, each light a promise of adventure, inviting me onward into the night. The High Line sets the bar high for the night, pun intended. It's a place that captures the spirit of New York, creative, vibrant, and always full of surprises. This is why you come to New York. For moments like these, surrounded by people from all over the world, sharing in the city's energy, the views, the vibe, the people, unforgettable. Every visit feels unique and every memory made here is special. With my senses awakened and my spirit lifted, I head off the High Line, ready for the next adventure Chelsea has in store. My stomach's rumbling, time for Chelsea Market. Housed in an old Nabisco factory, this food hall is legendary. The smell alone is worth the visit. First stop, Los Tacos No. 1, authentic Mexican street tacos, bursting with flavor. Next, the lobster place, fresh seafood, sushi, and the famous lobster roll. Or maybe, very fresh noodles, where hand-pulled noodles are made before your eyes. The choices are endless. Mediterranean pitas at Miss Nan, or sweet mini donuts from Donuttery. Prices range from $5 to $25, so there's something for every budget. The market buzzes with locals and tourists, everyone on a culinary adventure. You could eat here for a week and never try it all. Every bite is a new discovery. Chelsea Market is a feast for the senses. It's the perfect place to fuel up for a night out. Delicious, diverse, and totally New York. Time to explore what's next. Full and happy from dinner, I'm ready for a different kind of feast. One for the eyes and the soul. Chelsea's legendary art galleries are calling my name, promising a night of discovery and inspiration. Dozens of galleries line the streets from West 20th to 28th, their windows glowing like beacons in the night, each one hinting at the creativity waiting inside. Exploring art after dark feels like a secret adventure. There's a special energy in the air, as if the city itself is whispering its stories through the art on display. I step into a gallery. Bright lights illuminate bold paintings and thought-provoking sculptures. The space buzzes with quiet excitement as visitors move from piece to piece, each work inviting a closer look. Many galleries host evening events or stay open late, especially on Thursdays. It's a chance to mingle with fellow art lovers, meet artists, or just soak in the creative atmosphere. Most are free to enter, so you can wander at your own pace, letting your curiosity guide you from one gallery to the next. There's no rush, just the freedom to explore. You don't need to be an art expert. Just bring an open mind and a sense of wonder. The galleries welcome everyone, from seasoned collectors to first-time visitors. The art scene here is open and accessible, with a friendly vibe that makes it easy to strike up a conversation, or simply enjoy the art in your own way. I spot an abstract piece, blues and greens swirling like the ocean, drawing me in with its movement and mystery. Each painting feels like a window into another world. Maybe it's the lobster roll talking, but I'm completely mesmerized. The colors seem to pulse with life, and for a moment, I lose track of time. The Rubin Museum nearby offers Himalayan art for a different vibe, a peaceful, meditative contrast to the bold contemporary works just a few blocks away. Chelsea's galleries are about feeling, not just looking. Art here sparks conversations, emotions, and sometimes even a sense of connection with strangers. Each stop is a new perspective, a new story, modern, abstract, classic, or experimental. The variety is endless, and every gallery has its own unique personality. The night air is cool, the streets quiet, and the art unforgettable. There's a sense of magic in wandering these blocks after dark, surrounded by creativity. This is the creative soul of Chelsea, a place where imagination comes alive and every visit feels like a new adventure. I leave inspired, my mind buzzing with ideas and images. The night isn't over yet. On to the river, ready for whatever comes next. Time for a riverside stroll, Hudson River Park calls. The city skyline twinkles across the water and the park feels safe and inviting. Joggers, cyclists, and night owls share the paths. Piers stretch into the river, perfect for photos or a quiet moment. The vibe here is calm, a peaceful contrast to the city's buzz. Then, Little Island appears, an architectural marvel floating on tulip-shaped pillars. Open until 11 p.m. in summer, it's free to enter, just check for timed reservations. Winding paths, lush landscaping, and stunning views make it feel magical. Sometimes there's live music or performances in the amphitheater. Imagine a show with the skyline as your backdrop. Little Island is perfect for a romantic evening or a solo escape. It's innovative, beautiful, and pure New York. Chelsea keeps surprising me. The river, the park, the island, each a new adventure. What a night. Chelsea is one of the world's most LGBTQ+ friendly neighborhoods. Let's celebrate! The streets are open, accepting, and alive with possibility. I pop into Barracuda Lounge for a drag show. Energy, laughter, and pure joy. The performers are incredible, and everyone feels welcome. Other options? Rebar Chelsea, the Eagle NYC, or the Chic Lebain with city views and a jacuzzi. It's not just bars. The Joyce Theatre offers world-class dance performances. Chelsea's nightlife is all about inclusivity and fun. Strike up a conversation, enjoy the entertainment, or just soak up the vibe. The community spirit here is strong. After dark, Chelsea truly shines. There's something for every taste and mood. This is the heart of New York's nightlife. Cheers to Chelsea, what a night. Ready for the next adventure? Getting around Chelsea is easier than you think. The subway is fast and affordable, just $2.90 a ride, tap with Omni, or use a Metro card. Download City Mapper for real-time routes and updates. Even-numbered streets run east, odd-numbered run west, easy navigation, stick to well-lit stations at night. Taxis and ride shares like Uber or Lyft are convenient, especially late. Rides within Manhattan usually cost $15, $30. Always use official taxis or reputable apps, safety first. City Bike is a fun, active way to explore. Monthly passes are affordable. But honestly, walking is the best way to discover Chelsea's hidden gems. Wear comfy shoes and wander. The neighborhood is made for exploring on foot. Every corner has a story. New York can be pricey, but Chelsea offers fun for every budget. Chelsea Market has delicious eats from $5, $20. Sit-down restaurants range from $15, $40 per person. Cocktails are $12, $20, rooftop bars a bit more. Look for happy hour deals to save. The best part, many experiences are free. The High Line, Hudson River Park, Little Island, and most galleries. Special exhibitions might cost $10, $20. A fantastic night out. Food, a drink, and sightseeing can be done for $20, $50. Plan smart and focus on the fun. Chelsea is worth every penny. Let's wrap up with some quick safety tips. Chelsea is generally very safe, but always stay aware, especially at night. Stick to well-lit, busy streets and avoid empty alleys or subway cars. Keep your belongings secure, especially in crowds. Don't flash valuables or lots of cash. Solo travelers, let someone know your plans. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, move on. LGBTQ+ travelers will find Chelsea welcoming, but awareness is key for everyone. In an emergency, dial 911. NYPD presence is strong in tourist areas. Go out, explore, and embrace Chelsea's vibrant energy. Try new things, meet new people, and make memories. Chelsea at night is unforgettable. You're going to love it.